Hello and welcome to the course on video marketing. Hi, my name is Laudiaann Sylvest, and in this course we are going to show you how you can reach more prospects through the power of video. This course is divided into 3 modules. Module 1 gives you a brief overview of video marketing. Module 2, organic and paid methods. And Module 3 gives over video productions. By the time this course is over, you'll know how to do business with video marketing. So without further ado, let's dive in through the first module of video marketing.
There's no question about it. Videos have revolutionized modern marketing and communication. The reason being is that it drives the most engagement and boosts the most conversions. Moreover, the advancement of technology has led more and more people, particularly the younger generation, to be less interested in reading written content. Instead, people prefer the quick and easy gratification of moving, eye-catchy visuals. That being said, more and more companies are integrating videos in their marketing campaigns to reach a bigger and wider demographic. What are the latest stats about video marketing? Here are a few. 60% of businesses use video as a marketing tool. 32% of businesses use video for sales. 68% of marketers say that videos have a better ROI than Google Ads. 61% of marketers mark videos as very important or extremely important in their marketing strategy. 52% of marketers say that videos help them build trust with potential customers. 53% of marketers say that video helps them raise awareness. In 2020, marketers spent an average of $300 or less on a video. If you're looking to integrate videos into your marketing campaigns, then you're on the right track. This training will cover 3 modules. In Module 1, we'll give you 3 main reasons why you should use video marketing. Module 2 will explain the power of organic videos and ads. Finally, Module 3 will enumerate the most popular styles of video production as well as the tools that you can use. Why are videos such an effective form of marketing strategy? Here are 3 main reasons. Consumes less time. Living in a fast-paced world, it's no mystery that people are becoming less and less interested in reading textual content. In fact, more and more people are now finding reading somewhat troublesome and time-consuming. This applies to literally everything from emails to ebooks to blogs and articles. With videos, people can digest information in an enjoyable way in a shorter amount of time. It's versatile. Another reason why videos are powerful is that it's so versatile. Videos have the potential to accommodate any learning style, making them appealing to everyone. Think about it. Text is just text. Audio is just audio. Pictures are just pictures. But videos? It's a perfect blend of these 3 key ingredients. Whether you're a visual, textual, or auditory learner, you'll find videos an effective tool for learning and communication. Faster to produce. Generally, it'll be quicker to create simple talking head videos or slide presentations than writing a full article or blog post. In fact, if you're a skilled editor or have a hired video professional, it would be easier to produce high-quality videos in a shorter period of time. Another thing to point out is that video content requires very minimal proofreading, except for advanced videos that may need post-production. Videos are everywhere. And though there is much to be said about sales videos and video ads, Organic videos are the ones that are most dominating today. There are many platforms to apply a competent organic video marketing strategy, but here are the top two. YouTube. With over 2 billion users, there's no question that YouTube is king when it comes to video marketing. Having a user base with almost 1/2 of all internet users, YouTube's videos generate 1 billion hours of watch time every day. However, what makes YouTube such a powerful marketing tool is that it's a dual platform. On one hand, it acts as a social media giant, while the other hand serves as the second largest search engine behind Google. With YouTube, marketers can use plenty of strategies to create engagement. First, there is the vlog, or the video blog model. In this model, a person or business uploads content on a regular basis with the same concept of blogs. These videos are usually organic and not sales related. Vlogs can be anything from daily motivation to product reviews, as well as informative content like how-to videos and more. Facebook. A worthy competitor of YouTube has now been a viable option for placing organic video marketing. Facebook, the world's #1 social media giant, has now been expanding its video sharing engines and creates a huge impact on watch time as many users are more active on their app or site. Moreover, what makes Facebook have an upper hand against YouTube is that people can browse their feed while watching videos and hit the share button simultaneously. If you haven't noticed, Facebook videos are actually placed strategically to attract attention. As you scroll down to your feed, videos will usually autoplay with no audio, allowing you to have a glimpse of what the content is. This catches the eyes of the viewers, as they will become more likely to stop and watch it. No wonder why Facebook video posts create the highest levels of engagement. In addition to its accessibility, Facebook revolutionized live video broadcasting. With a click of a button, users can broadcast themselves in real time. Another great feature of Facebook Live is that it notifies your followers that your video is currently live, encouraging them to jump in and watch your broadcast. This allows you to have a sudden sizable viewership. Followers can also express their thoughts in real time by sharing their comments and reactions. With these major developments, Facebook has become an effective and in-demand channel for organic video marketing. If you're looking for a surefire strategy to establish your brand's visibility and gain followership, organic video marketing is your buddy. However, when it comes to generating leads and converting them to paying customers, paid video advertising is king. What are the most popular video ads right now? Here are the big three. YouTube ads. YouTube ads are probably the most popular form of video ads. From a marketer's perspective, these ads are a foolproof way to create new leads. With YouTube ads, you can plug your video ads in the beginning, the end, or even in the middle portions of any YouTube video. All you need is your own video to use as a video ad, and that's it. You can then insert it on any video hosted by YouTube. One thing you might not know about YouTube ads is how the paying system works. Almost all YouTube ads contain the magical skip ad button, which allows users to skip the ads, usually after 5 seconds. However, the way YouTube works is that marketers will only get to pay the ads if the viewers watch beyond the 30-second mark of your video. If a person clicks skip ad before 30 seconds, you pay nothing. This means that despite the majority of skippers, you're basically increasing brand awareness for free. This also means you'll only pay a very small amount of money for people who actually take the time to watch the ad. There are a handful of ways where you can strategically use YouTube ads. These strategies can include keyword searches, consumer behavior, and relying on demographics such as age, gender, and location. However, the real approach for effective advertising is by placing ads in specific videos or channels. This means having the option to display ads on relevant content or even competing product videos. Furthermore, since YouTube ads are technically part of Google Ads, you can turn your videos into targeted ads by using Google's algorithm. This means that when someone visits your sales page but didn't show engagement, you can use YouTube to display the ads for your product when they're about to watch a video to re-engage with them. Google Display Network Ads. Besides audience targeting, Google also created the Google Display Network, or GDN, which allows you to place your ads on over 2 million websites, videos, and apps. Display network ads reach over 90% of internet users worldwide, which basically makes your ads visible everywhere. With Display Network, you can display your ads on specific and relevant sites and apps to a targeted demographic. Facebook ads. Facebook video ads have become increasingly more effective as more and more people prefer to watch videos on the platform itself rather than opening a new tab or switching to another app. Moreover, another feature of Facebook ads besides targeting is its autoplay feature. This means that when a user clicks on a video, your ads will automatically start playing. And unlike YouTube, Facebook ads are unskippable, which makes your ads more noticeable and creates high engagement rates. Once you've decided which marketing video strategy you'll use, you need to start producing your videos. There are different styles of video content that you can produce, all of which need some expertise and use software and equipment. We'll discuss a few of them below. Screen recording. This simply means using screen capture software to record your screen while you talk or explain something using your computer. This can be anything from explaining a process to reviewing products to demonstrating a certain computer or online action. Since this is a screen recording, you want to make sure that you record your screen at the highest resolution, making your photos look vivid and the text to be legible. Additionally, you want to have a high-quality microphone so that you can have a loud and clear voiceover. Talking head. The talking head style refers to sitting or standing in front of a camera to convey your message. This is the style that people tend to shy away from, but in reality can be a very powerful way to deliver your message and build brand authenticity. To create a talking head video, all you need is an HD camera, a high-quality external microphone, ideally a lapel mic, and optimal lighting. Slide presentation. From the name itself, you deliver a narrated presentation using slideshow software. After you've created the slides, you can simply export them as a video file or even record yourself giving the presentation. For this video style, you have to keep it simple and elegant. This means avoiding too bright or colorful graphics or having over-the-top transitions. And like screen recording, you have to make sure that you have a high-quality mic for the narration. Explainer videos. Explainer videos are fun, quick, easy to understand animated videos explaining a product, process, or service. Because of its accessibility, the production of explainer videos has significantly increased over the past few years. Explainer videos are produced using video creation tools like Powtoon and Video. This type of video style is considered market-friendly and can be used to attract any age demographic. Advanced videos. If you have the right tools and skills, or if you can hire a professional to do so, you can create advanced videos for your marketing campaigns. Advanced videos include whiteboard animations and documentaries. This, however, will take a significant amount of time to produce, as the content will be a combination of hand drawing, filming, and post-production. But that being said, if you have enough time and resources to do so, this could be an effective way not only to build brand awareness, but will also establish your presence as a professional, classy brand. Video production tools. To produce the video formats mentioned, you need to have the right tools. Here's the list of tools that you need or can use for every video style. Talking head, HD camera, teleprompter, high-quality microphone, studio lights, backdrop, Adobe Premiere. Screen recording, Camtasia, Snagit, Screenshot-O-Matic. Slide presentation, PowerPoint, Prezi, Google Slides. Explainer videos, Powtoon, GoAnimate, Video. Advanced videos, Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, Video Hive, Video Blocks. In summary, we learned the reasons why you should use video marketing, the real power of organic video marketing, the strategic use of ads, and the types of video productions. Trying video marketing may seem daunting, but is necessary to keep up with your competition and continue to promote your brand online. So what are you waiting for? Take action and start making videos today.
Hi, this is Laudiaann Sylvest again, and I want to thank each one of you for listening to my video marketing course. You can listen to this course over and over again. My purpose here is to help you grow your business and to become successful.